Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 73 Ford Bronco Sport. If you're into restoring, this is what you want. One that hasn't been touched. It's original, pretty solid. Come out of North Dakota. Obviously, you could just drive it the way it is. Runs and drives good. I'll have a video of it running and a video of driving it. Hood, for the most part, probably usable. Does got that typical crack where they do. Obviously, they've done some home body work, so this fender's got mud in it. Doors probably got some mud in it right there. You can see where they primered it. How much, I don't know. Floors are pretty solid. You can see some pictures over on the other side of a little bit of rust through. We'll see gas tanks on this side, so it's hard to tell. So I don't know what we got. That's a board here. So I'm guessing we got some floor issues right there too, which is typical. Obviously your interior is going to have to be completely done, which isn't a real expensive deal on these. But nice thing, it's an automatic 302, appears to be the correct motor. It's got the trim. Looks like maybe a little body work on that right there, but not much. The quarters are pretty solid. Tailgate looks in pretty good shape. A little bit of body work over here. Like I said, you won't know what you got there until you take it apart. There's your tire carrier. Obviously they did some homemade latching. I'm missing the latch on the top. This is probably the worst area. The corner here has obviously been probably smashed into and got some really bad body work there, but possibly could be saved. Rockers all look good on the inside. So nice solid Bronco. We'll give you one of it running also. Like I said, this is one you can just drive as you restore it, or take the body off and go to that next level. So runs and drives good. We'll show you videos of that. 605-695-73